Hi Andy, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, I've done your laser. Yeah, basically, I think someone's already been in here. I don't know whether you've done it or someone else. We don't usually repair things that people have opened, but you know, possible it could have fallen to bits. But oh yeah, I got your laser here, your old laser, and it's just like all the things come off and the plug in the back come out, and I don't know. But I'll give you a full repair on that anyway. So what I've done is, well, it's pretty conked up, so I cleaned all the cogs for you. At some stage or the other it would have started sticking anyway. So yeah, I've cleaned the cogs out there with a brush and checked it all, checked motor switches. It's all, it's fine. You should get many years out of it. It's not as bad as some of them we see, but yeah, it's pretty cacked up. But hopefully this will get you out of trouble. So you can see it's all spinning. You can hear the music there coming out. Yeah. So there you go, it's fully working. Got a date on there, the 23rd, 10th, 1/8. You got a 6-month warranty for that. Parts and labour, all free of charge if anything happens in the next 6 months. So thank you very much, Andy. Please leave feedback, and I hope you're happy. Thank you.